Welcome from Pragya Lab, BITS Goa. There is no doubt anymore. We are living in the AI era. Every day, algorithms and agents quietly sit across the table from us, recommending what we read, deciding which loans get approved, and influencing decisions that touch our health, finance, and public life. Further, many serious predictions suggest that the trajectory of the software world will dramatically shift in the next 2 years. Large parts of what we currently write as hard-coded logic, APIs, and UI flows will be fronted or quietly replaced by LLM-powered agents that read specs, talk to users, call tools, and evolve with data. In other words, the software stack itself is about to become increasingly conversational, adaptive, and agent-driven. So, before we go further, let's hear what industry leaders have to say about this shift.
The SaaS applications or biz apps, so let me just speak of our own dynamics thing.
Right.
The approach at least we're taking is, I think the notion that business applications exist, that's probably where they'll all collapse, right, in the agent era. Because if you think about it, right, they are essentially CRUD databases with a bunch of business logic. The business logic is all going to these agents.
We're designing Shruvan, the first secure, multilingual model context protocol for LLM agents. Think of it as a TCP/IP moment for AI, like in late 80s teams across Stanford. And BBN were designing TCP/IP, the protocol stack that made the entire web addressable, routable, and eventually secure enough, the internet. Let's imagine we are automating banking with AI agents. Front-end agents talk to customers. Transaction agents move money. Risk agents scan for fraud. Policy agents enforce regulations. And recovery agents handle disputes and failures, all coordinating as a single agentic banking system. Let's imagine this is an instruction one agent wants to send to another. AI agents speak in natural language. That's their superpower. But the same thing that makes them powerful also makes them dangerously exposed. Plain text instructions like this are easy to read, easy to log, and easy to adapt. The first idea that comes to mind is simple. Just encrypt the messages. But off-the-shelf encryption schemes are brittle in this setting. Once a key leaks or an endpoint is compromised, the whole channel collapses. And in a world where you can hire cheap hackers for rent on the dark web, we can't assume those keys or endpoints will always stay safe. Shruvan is our answer to this problem. Instead of using a fixed, brittle cipher, it learns a custom encrypted language for each application through game-theoretic calibration among agents, so that only the right agents can understand the message, even if attackers are listening. Over each calibration cycle, the encryption gets stronger and stronger. The tokens become harder to guess, harder to mimic, and harder to reverse. And if at any point admins feel that a particular cipher looks brittle or compromised, Shruvan can simply recalibrate and learn an entirely new encrypted dialect without changing the application logic. Thank you for watching. With Shruvan, we're taking a small but crucial step toward a world where AI agents can talk to each other safely, securely, and multilingually, just as TCP/IP once did for the early internet. This is only the beginning of building a trustworthy protocol layer for the AI era, and we're excited to shape it together.